show is so far above and beyond. Okay, I hope you guys know that this is a really exciting show. Okay, so what do you want to sound like at the beginning? Okay, get the judge's attention. Okay, musically and visually, and keep that attention all the way throughout. Okay, part two, it keeps. I promise you, you're keeping their attention in part two, and then the mood change in part three. It's very drastic, okay, and it's keeping their attention. Okay, new ending. We're going to keep their attention in a positive way all the way to the end. Wins, do not forget your new ending at the end. Double time, okay? Everybody has to go for it, okay? Stay in your lines. Here we go. Full run of the show. You got 164 up there, Jason? Yeah? Yeah. Here you go. Set it up.
Thank you. Thank you. 3, 1. Down, down. 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, push 1. Ah! 2, 3, 4. Hey, Drew! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side. 1, 3, 5. 1, 2. Wax on, wax on. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. My D isn't working! Up! 3, 4, 8, 9, 12. Delicious! Three, 4, 5, 6. Up!
Yeah, so again, from